One common denominator at tech companies or just software in general is that we all have Sentry. We all use it, we all love it, or maybe we don't love it, but we use it. Errors are basically piling up. There's just more and more and more, and you might have Slack integration with Sentry turned on, so you're getting all of the errors happening in real time sent to Slack. Now, one problem with that is it's extremely hard to prioritize which ones to work on, which ones bring the highest amount of value to your customers right now. Sometimes they're not like they're false positives. So we solve that with Tembo automations where you can essentially have an automation that runs daily at like 8 in the morning, for example. The instructions are extremely simple. It looks at your Sentry projects and prioritizes, in this case, 3 most important bugs that are impacting your customers right now. This one is extremely simple compared to the instructions for previous automations that we've shown where there's a lot of text. But in this case, you don't really need that more complex. You know, if you wanted it to be 5 instead of 3, you could change this to 5. If you wanted to format it differently, you could completely customize this instruction to tell it how to send it to your Slack. If we go to Slack, we could see here that this morning it actually did send out this Sentry error report where this bug right here is impacting 121 users. This one right here is impacting 27. And we could go to these because it links you straight to Sentry, and we could read more about it, figure out like what's actually happening here. So now it's a lot easier for our team to go through this in the mornings and figure out, well, all right, let's tackle this one, let's ignore that one, etc. You're basically handed 3 bugs on a silver platter saying here's three bugs that you could solve like right now. And if you wanted to, you could have Linear create these issues by just mentioning our linear integration here and saying, you know, create these issues on linear, and then it will do that. I hope you see how powerful this really is. This is a primitive where you could build whatever kind of workflow that you want using any kind of MCP server or integration that you've connected to Tembo. So I hope you have fun with this one. It's certainly been a lot of fun to make these, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.